Welcome to the channel. Today you'll see class 11 NCERT chapter number 8 binomial theorem. Binomial theorem for any positive integer n. Okay. And now binomial theorem na a plus b or a minus b whole power n I'm going to take. Index I'm taking as a n. Then n c not what is that a power n b power 0 plus n c 1 a power n minus 1 b power 1 plus nc2 a power n minus 2 b power 2 up to ncn a power 0 b power n. Okay, this is the binomial theorem for any positive integer n. Okay, now this we can able to write sigma, what is that, k equal to 0 to n nc k and a power n minus k and b power k, like that we are writing, understand? And this is also equal to a plus b whole power n, and this is the binomial theorem for a positive. Suppose we have that a instead of a plus b, if we have a negative a minus b whole power n, in the sense how you will write this formula. And here see, I will show you sigma k equal to 0 to n nc k a power n minus k into minus b whole power k. Okay, what is here positive b, so that b power k, here negative is there, so that minus of b whole power k I'm giving, understand? So how you will write in this theorem, like this how you will write now, I will show, listen this carefully. So nc not a power n minus b whole power 0, like this you need to write. So nc1 a power n minus 1 minus b whole power 1, like that, plus nc2 a power n minus 2 minus b whole power 2, like this, up to dot dot, plus ncn a power 0 minus b whole power n, like this we need to complete this, understand? Here dot, just I'm giving dot there. Now if we simplify this, you will get the answer. See this, nc not a power n, anything power 0 no, that is 1, leave it. See here b power 1 is there, means negative whole power 1 na, here you will get definitely negative, mean plus into minus minus, so minus nc1 a power n minus 1 b power 1, and here square in the sense definitely will get plus. So nc2 a power n minus 2 and b power 2, next you will get negative, and so on, plus here we have a minus b whole power n, so n I don't know what is that, so minus 1 whole power n I'm giving, so that, so ncn a power 0 no, leave it, that is 1, and b power n I'm giving. That is the formula for a minus b whole power n. Okay, and this is very important one, like a plus b whole power n is there na, like that. This is one of the important formula, please remember this also. Okay, now here we have a two important formula, one a minus b whole power n, and another one, what is that, a plus b whole power n. So this two is very important, so we have to remember this. By using this only we are going to simplify the exercise problems. And another things I will show you, suppose the a value and b value, like this, taking suppose the a equal to 1 and b equal to x, in the sense what you will get. First from the equation, this I'm taking as a formula number 1. From the formula number 1 I'm going to substitute this, and this I'm taking as formula number 2. Now in the formula number 1, if you substitute a equal to 1 b equal to x now, then what we are getting, let's see. So what I am getting, before that first I will write the equation number 1 again here. So a plus b whole power n, which is equal to, now we have the formula here, let's start to substitute a equal to 1 and b equal to x. So what is that, 1 plus x whole power n, which is equal to nc not, a value is 1 na, so 1 power n you will get, plus nc1 1 power n minus 1 x, plus nc2 1 power n minus 2 x power 2 and up to ncn x power n, like that you will get it. Now if you simplify this, you will get this answer. Listen this. So 1 power anything, that is equal to 1 only except infinity. So nc naught, that's it, 1 power n, 1 only, leave it. nc1, 1 power anything, leave it, then we have x. nc2, 1 power anything, leave it, then we have x square, up to ncn x power n. So this is the formula for 1 plus x whole power n, and this is also one of the very important for solving the exercise, and this also you have to remember. And this is very easy. Listen this, nc naught x power naught, okay, nc1 x power 1, nc2 x power 2, ncn x power n, like that. Understand? Now suppose in the same thing, if we have what is that, suppose we are taking a equal to 1, b equal to minus x na, then what we will get? Okay, now see, and in this formula itself, just what that I'm going to explain. So sorry 1 minus x whole power n, which is equal to, then what you will get, see, nc naught plus nc1 minus x, understand, plus nc2 minus x whole power 2, plus up to this ncn minus x whole power n, like that you will get. Now if you simplify this now, you will get the answer. See this, 1 minus x whole power n, which is equal to nc naught plus into minus nc1 x. Okay, this is squared, then you will get positive nc2 x square. Understand? So up to here we have power n. So n we don't know what is that, whether it is a positive or negative, sorry, even or odd, we don't know. So that I'm going to write minus 1 whole power n. This minus I'm taking like this, and then remaining will be same ncn x power n. The minus x only I'm writing like this, and this is also one of the very important formula. So this also you have to remember, and these things definitely we will use when we solving the exercise problems. I hope you will understand these formulas. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for getting more videos and press the bell icon for getting notification.